show, and this is a brand created by it's a family brand. They're all inventors and they're really genius when it comes to outdoor pieces. We saw this hose earlier, the metal hose, the 50-foot, the 75-foot. Now we're bringing you the 40-foot chroma colored metal garden hose. So what a nice way to kind of fancy up your garden, right? $43.99 is your price. This is clearance, so no reorders here. $27 if you $27 is what you're saving today. And if you choose Easy Pay, $14.66. We have for you the cobalt, the lavender. How pretty is that? And then on QVC.com, we have coral. Most limited there. We had the Raven, but I believe we are sold out. So just 3 options left, M95580. We have Kevin Riley in the house to talk all about this. Well, welcome back.
Welcome back. Thank you for having me.
Of course, I had so much fun the last few hours. We had to bring you back for something that's a little more colorful and fun.
How fun are these?
Yeah, I love that.
So it's made with the same material, the same metal as the metal Bernini garden hoses that we've been bringing to QVC for years. But we just wanted to add a little bit more color, so we add a little bit laminate on the outside. And it still is that famous 304 steel. It's still going to be heat resistant, UV resistant, rust resistant. And it's just so much fun.
Which I enjoy. I enjoy a little fun outside. And even watching you do that, we said it before, it's almost like very fluid when you're using it.
Hypnotic.
So there's no kinks, you don't have to worry about it puncturing, not fading, and it's lightweight.
It's lightweight and it's still puncture resistant like our typical metal garden hoses. And what's neat about this one, so even though it's 40 feet, it kind of stores pretty well. Like I'm gonna if you have any old bucket around the house that you want to store your hose in, you could actually keep 80 feet in just this whiskey barrel.
That's great.
40 feet in a typical, here's just 40 feet in a normal little hose bucket, but it's easy to use, it's lightweight, it's colorful, it's pretty, and it makes us smile.
We like to smile, right? I mean, it's just those little extra added things that, you know, could cheer you up in your day. But of course, it's practical. You know, 40 feet, that's quite a lot of hose.
And it comes with the fireman's nozzle as well. So you can go from, here we are, she's using it on the little spray section. Looks like she's watering her plants there, and this shows how you can pull it and it contracts pretty easily, and it even though it's 40 feet, it stores very nicely. Here's it wrapped around some hoses, and again, it's puncture resistant, so you don't have to worry about the dog chewing on it or it getting wrapped on roses or anything else.
I've never seen that video before. That's wild.
They're really putting it through the torture test. I'll admit that. But so made with the 304 stainless steel, that means it's heat resistant, it's UV resistant. It's not, you can keep it out in the sun and it's not going to burn your hands. And it's not going to rust, and it's going to look great year after year.
That's so smart. But this is a family of inventors. I've had the chance to meet them before, and they're smart people, but they're creating solutions to problems that we have that I think we've been complaining about for years.
Absolutely.
You know, and I said it before, like when you become an adult, you don't realize the things that you kind of take for granted. Like my dad would always carry around the heavy rubber hose to like wash the car and do all those things. Back in the day, we didn't have anything like this.
And we didn't have these fun colors as well. Like this one, you don't mind keeping out in the bucket in your garden. You don't need to hide it because it actually will look really pretty with all your flowers.
Yeah. And it's lightweight, and you don't have to worry about it getting all knotted up. So I know we were showing the presentation before where you kind of knotted up that metal hose, and we couldn't show you, we don't have water here, but it had the same pressure.
Pardon me? You can still take the hose and wrap it around that fence post like we were doing earlier. You can wrap it around those rose bushes. If little Rufus gets out to it and starts chewing it, it's going to be okay. And even though it has that little laminate coating, we have that 304 stainless steel, and that keeps it heat resistant, keeps it looking good year after year.
It's great. Fade resistant, corrosion resistant. It's not going to puncture on you. And I like how easy you can just kind of throw it right into a bucket. It's not going to take up a ton of space. $43.99 is your clearance price. It's a $27 savings. $14.66 gets it home using any major credit card or debit card. And I know that it's February and you guys are probably like, okay, I'm not ready yet for the garden.
I think it's about 40 days left till spring.
Yeah, it's somewhere around there. And time goes very fast, but also, I mean, you may live in a part of the country where it's warm. And
John and Jack, they're out in
so.
California. One thing, when they come out, it's funny, when they visit, they're always shocked at how cold it is. But they use it year round. And,
I'm sure.
And it's like, and now, I guess in Pennsylvania, it's about 6 months of hose use just for the garden alone. And that's not counting washing your car, washing the pups, or anything else.
Yeah. And so it has the nozzle on it. And how many settings do we have
So
on that?
the fireman's nozzle, so it goes from a really strong jet all the way down to a nice soft mist. It's about 7, but in theory, it's like you can kind of catch it in the middle and get a little bit of half and a half of one of the other. So, and you can get the gunk off the gutters, you can get the gunk off the pavers, but you can also have it come down to a nice soft spray for your flowers, for your puppies, for your kids as well.
That's great. And it's 40 feet, so that's a nice amount of length. $43.99 is your clearance price.
40 feet, but you can pick it up.
And you can obviously buy multiples and
oh yeah, it'll
together.
pair with any of your other Bernini hose, any hose at your department stores. It's standard. If you have a rubber hose, you can connect it to that as well.
Super smart. And the colors, I know. We just like a little fun, right? You're in the garden, you're getting the pretty gloves, maybe the ones we had earlier. You want the cute hat. Why not, you know, have the hose be a nice color too? It just brings a little cheer to your space. Now we have your cobalt, which is a really beautiful blue. Then we have the coral. And then my personal favorite, I'm in a purple mood right now, lavender. We lost the raven, so do not wait if there's a color you see that you love, because we're not reordering these. We're not gonna see them again. And one more time for the people in the back. Fade resistant, right? Puncture resistant. It's not gonna get overheated in the sun.
You can keep it out in the direct sunlight and still be able to touch it. It actually stays cooler. Even though it's metal, it'll stay cooler than your standard rubber garden hose.
Wonderful. M95580, $14.66, gets it home on Easy Pay. Give us a call to place your order, 800-500-7590. Thanks, Kev.
Thank you so much.
I had so much fun, friend. We got to do it again sometime, but with water.